Hello everyone, my name is Alejandra Melanes and today I will be talking about why students deserve mental health days. To start with, I'm going to show you a picture of a student looking exhausted. Have you ever felt so overwhelmed, anxious, or just emotionally drained that the thought of going to school made you want to stay under the covers all day? Yeah, you're not alone. I have been there. More and more students are silently struggling with mental health challenges every single day. But instead of slowing down, they are expected to keep pushing forward, turning in assignments, taking tests, showing up like everything is fine. Today, let's talk about something that doesn't get nearly enough attention: mental health days for students, what they are, why we need them, and how schools can help to make them a reality. I have days where my brain just couldn't do it. Everything felt foggy. I couldn't focus, couldn't think straight. And it wasn't because I didn't care about school, it's just a needed pause, a reset. So I started reaching out on the internet what mental health experts had to say, and guess what? They are on our side. Okay, now I'm gonna show an image of a graph showing rising stress trends. Let's be real. Being a student is stressful. Between the endless homework, standardized testings, extracurriculars activities, college applications, families' expectations, and even part-time jobs, the pressure can feel non-stop. Then there are the constant comparison on social media, that silent stress we carry without even notice. A report by Harvard Summer Schools revealed that 43% of teens say they live in constant state of stress and anxiety, and of that group, a staggering 83% said school is the number one of cause. And this isn't just bad. This isn't just about high schoolers. Professor Carson and Prescott from University Study found that college students are battling their own mental health struggles. Everything from burnout and loneliness to substance abuse and gambling addictions. This isn't just a phase, it is a growing crisis. Then, what are mental health days? This is where mental health days come in. The Mayo Clinic defines them as a short, intentional break from daily responsibilities to focus on emotional well-being. Think of it like a sick day, but for your mind. And it is not just some fluffy idea. Research shows that even taking one day to rest can reduce anxiety, improve focus, prevent long-term burnout, and boost emotional resilience. It is not about escaping responsibilities. It is about recharging so that you can face them again. When you give your mind a break, you come back stronger, calmer, and more capable. Mental health days aren't just a luxury. They are a necessity, especially for students under constant pressure. What can schools do? Here I have another image of students smiling after a break. Right now, only 8 states in the U.S. have laws that allow students to take mental health days off from school, just 8. That needs to change. A high school counselor in Maine reported a heartbreaking rise in students expressing self-harming thoughts just over the course of 8 years. And in college sports, the NCAA reported a 150 to 250% increase in mental health concerns among the student athletes. These numbers are telling us something loud and clear. This is bigger than just stress. This is a public health issue. Schools need to do more don't talk about mental health. They need to support it with policies, resources. That means 1. Allowing executed absences for mental health, training teachers and staff to recognize when students are struggling, creating safe spaces and support systems for students who need help. To conclude, I would say that it is time to act. And here I have the last image that support mental health days in a school. Let's stop pretending that pushing dogs through exhaustion is the only way to succeed. Mental health matters just as much as physical health. And when students are given the time to care for their mind, they don't fall behind. They bounce back stronger. So here is the takeaway. If we truly care about student success, both in school and beyond, we have to make room for mental well-being. Because no grade, no assignment, no trophy is worth sacrificing your mental health. It is time to treat yourself, your mental health, days like it matters, because they do.